everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me for my YouTube adventures. You know what to do. Click on the subscribe button and let's be friends. Hello, my sweet friends. Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. Okay, this video is coming, gonna be on late because I am filming late. I had like a million things to do this morning, and I was also finishing my DIYs. So let's jump right into the video. First of all, I want to say thank you for Monday's video. Y'all are so kind and so sweet, and I just want to say I love you. You know I love you. You know you're my peeps, and I love you more than anything. Okay, y'all. Today, we're going to take thrift store, trash finds, really inexpensive stuff, things that you just don't expect that you can make them high-end. Well, let me tell you, it's all about the details. It's all about the details. Like, God is in the details, some people say, and other people say devil's in the details. I don't like that one. I like the God one. You know me. Okay. When I look at an object, like I'll go into a thrift store, and you know, like thrifting for me is kind of new. Like I like it because you can find unique stuff, and also you can make it your own. That's the part of thrifting that I love the most. That's the part of thrifting for me that I love the most. When you take something and you make it your own. Okay. So I corralled a few things. I'm going to tell you what one of my absolute favorite things that I've ever painted in the Mackenzie Childs look is chargers. Really, really, really inexpensive chargers, okay? You go to the Dollar Tree. You get yourself a charger. You can get black, white, whatever you get. I did this in when I think I painted my first Mackenzie Childs charger in Florida. Yeah, because I had bought a whole bunch of Mackenzie Childs pieces, like real ones. I got the tea kettle, and I got the spoon, and I got some candle holders, and I got a cake stand, and I got there's something else that I have that I can't think right now. Canister, I'm thinking it's the canister. But anyways, I'd finally gotten the real Mackenzie Childs stuff, and I was like so like into it, and I loved it, and I love that black and white check because it just goes with everything. It goes with everything. But boy, oh boy, are they expensive. I recommend, if you are going to buy Mackenzie Childs, you wait till their barn sale. They have a barn sale every year. Phenomenal. You get things 50, 60% off. I'm trying to think. 50 or 60% off. But also you can check their website for sales because they have great sales. Like right now they have, I told you about my sinuses. Like they're still killing me. They have great sales going on. And speaking of that, okay, if I find it, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to put a picture right here of their brand new taupey collection. Oh. So, y'all, I was like sitting on the couch, and I thought to myself, if I had all the money in the world to buy whatever I wanted, and I just kept putting things in my cart, yeah, we were like at $1,600, some craziness. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna show you the clips of all the things I painted, and I'm gonna come right back and I'm gonna show you them done. And this video is just like a fun video. All right, y'all, here we go. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm showing you. So this is a cutting board, and it's horrible. I mean, it's not even sealed or anything like that. And it came with like a knife set that I bought myself. And I thought, why not take this and paint it in the Mackenzie Childs look and make a beautiful tray out of it? So I did the black and white, and here what I'm doing is I'm painting the edge white because I'm going to paint it with gold because I want to put gold handles on. So you see me here painting it white, and I'm just going to go all around. And you know what I find works best, and you get the most coverage when you're doing anything with white? Using white chalk paint. It's just so easy to work with, and it covers so well. And honestly, I love working with chalk paint. So that's what I'm doing. And I paint it all around. And then I'm going to take my gold from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put that all around also. And it's just going to look really, really sharp and really nice. And now, if the gold doesn't show up the way I want, I can use a little bit of rub and buff. And here I'm showing you the 2 handles that I have. And I just, you know what? I don't even know where I found these handles, on some other piece of something I had that didn't turn out. And I'm just going to put them here. And I think that they're going to turn out so good. Also, instead of doing screws in the handles, I am going to use the E6000 just to make my life simple. Okay, here's what I really wanted to paint. And I wanted to paint this for a while. Now, I got this at the thrift store. But let me show you. I'm going to put a picture right here. Okay, you saw the picture, right? I love it. So I'm going to edge mine out in gold. I've already been trying to play with it and think of how to do this. And I'm going to just use my gold paint. And I'm going to go around the edges. And I'm also going to paint the little feet, because I just think this is going to turn out so cute. Y'all, I'm telling you, if you use your imagination, you can take the smallest thing and give it detail. And it just turns out so high end. You will love it. You will love it. I'm telling you, you'll love it. Okay, y'all, you can tell that I'm painting the edges around. I'm just freehanding it. And I think it looks so good already. Now I'm going to do the white stripes, and I'm just using my finger as a measuring guide, because I'm going to totally freehand this. Now, you're probably wondering to yourself, why am I freehanding this? Well, Mackenzie Childs is all done freehand. Oh, this is a paint pen that I'm using, by the way. Sorry, you can hear me sniffling. My sinuses are really out of control, y'all. But I'm using the paint pen just to make the lines, just the outlines. And then I'm going to take my paintbrush and paint all the way down and all around the little pot. And I just think this is going to turn out so cute. I can't wait till it's done. Now, obviously, I'm editing the video and I'm voiceovering everything. But I wanted to tell you that I did think maybe I should have done the checkers on the little thing. But I don't know. Okay, so now let's get to the cutting board. Do you see what I meant by when you paint with white chalk paint? It made the gold stand out that much more. Like, it made it so crisp. And now I'm going to put the handles on with a little E6000, y'all. I'm going to let it dry overnight, and it's going to be perfect. I'm telling you, I love how this is turning out. I just love it. And really, the gold edge just made that much of a difference on this. I think it looks great. Oh, don't mind the filming here. I don't know what's going on. But I wanted to show you in detail. I think it looks really good. You tell me in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you like the freehand idea? Oh, and by the way, I did add a little color to the squares. But you'll see that later on. Okay, now let's go outside, because I wanted to show you the planters. If you're here and you're new and you haven't seen the planters, I love those planters. Okay, here's another thrift store find. Every one of these leaves, y'all, had some weird greens and oranges and weird colors. And I just painted the leaves black. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little rub and buff, and I'm putting it on the spongy thing, and you'll see right now, I'm just going to take the rub and buff and just dab it all along the edges of the leaves. Look how cute that looks. And y'all, I'm telling you, I transformed this piece and it just looks so good. That's what I'm saying. If you just use your imagination and your creativity, you can do so many things to make things in your homes look that much better. Look at the finished product. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's go hang it up. Okay, I'm back. So what do we think? What do we think? Like, some of this stuff was just so great. Like, here's the finished cutting board with the gold edge and the gold handles. I think it turned out so good. And then if you can see here, I added a little bit of coloring. Okay, now why did I add the coloring? The real Mackenzie Childs stuff is hand painted, and within the white and within the black, there's color. Like, if you have a real piece, you'll know this. There's real color. There's blue, green, and yellow inside every like square, and it's so random. And I watched a video on like how they used to paint the stuff. It's beautiful. Okay. All right, so you saw the cutting board. Love it. Love. You saw the thing over the fireplace, the TV. We're going to go there in a minute. I don't know. I got fireplace on my mind. Then this turned out so cute, y'all. Now, the inspiration picture has like a medallion here. And I wish I could, I want to try and find something to just add to it. But like, look how beautiful. It looks so much more high end, right? Okay, I'm going to tilt this up. See my thing there? Now look how cohesive it all looks together. Is that not beautiful? And then to add in a little more detail here, I just added a black and white houndstooth ribbon. So I just think all in all, it just looks so much better. Doesn't that look so much better together? I love it. I love it. The planters. Okay, I went outside. I filmed. Now in Florida, when I did this, because I'm gonna re-zhuzh them up for spring, and also today, once I'm done editing and putting up my video, I am running to Dollar Tree because they have the eggs, the 3 plastic eggs. You guys saw I did the pumpkins. I want to get the eggs for Easter. I cannot wait. I'm dying to get them. I'm going to do the Mackenzie Child, obviously, to add to my Mackenzie Child planters, which I'm going to zhuzh up a bit. Okay, what else did I want to show you? Oh, I want to show you the finishing of that. I'll take you down off the tripod. But y'all, like, I know this video is not very long, and you know, there wasn't like that much tutorial in it. Use your imagination. Go to your local thrift store and find something that you love that is unique and you know, you want to put in your house. I really enjoy thrifting because you can do so many things with thrift stuff. Paint them, rearrange them, take them apart. I mean, y'all saw those beautiful wreaths I found. Oh my goodness, fantastic. Now, I'm going to give you a tip. If you are not a good painter, okay? And you wanna like dive into this Mackenzie Child thing. I got a secret. Okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go on their website and you're gonna order yourself a pack of napkins, okay? You know, order a pack of napkins. And they're not cheap. I'm telling you right now, they're not inexpensive. You know, order a pack of napkins. You're going to get these napkins home. And you're going to go get yourself some Mod Podge and some really good paint brushes. And you're going to take your time and you're going to be very delicate with those napkins. Because boy, were they expensive. And you can Mod Podge chargers. You can Mod Podge little objects like the pig. You can Mod Podge a cutting board, a picture frame, a tray, God, I mean, you can Mod Podge anything, anything. And then if you really like, if you really want to dive into the Mackenzie Childs stuff, because I love it, I love it. Buy the ribbon, buy their ribbon from their website. It's expensive. I'm not telling you it's cheap. It is not cheap. I had a roll. I remember I had a roll, and I did a whole bunch of crafts with it, and it's in Florida. It's in the storage unit, and I remember like coveting that ribbon, like, because I think I paid. Oh, I think I paid quite a bit. I mean, I added it. It was an accent. It was an accent to other ribbons, like cheaper ribbons. But I loved that ribbon. It is something that I will be purchasing. I like I keep thinking of if you've been here for a while, you'll know what I'm talking about. Like I'm trying to figure out what we should do. Should we buy a house? Should we not buy a house? Should we buy a house here? Should we not buy a house here? What should we do? Where should we go? What should I, yeah, like I'm all over the place, and I am not, I haven't made a concrete decision because I don't, I'm scared to make a decision, y'all. Okay, I'm rambling. All right, that's the end of the video. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend ahead. Do something you love. Go to your local thrift stores. Go to your local Dollar Trees. If you're out there hunting for those eggs like I will, you can follow me on Instagram because this weekend's the hunt for those eggs. I'm telling you right now. And yeah, so I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And thank you for watching. And thank you for all your love and support. It means the world to me. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some inspiration out of it. Mwah! Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. I'll see you on Monday.